Are you struggling to keep track of the numerous calls in your call center? Say no more. In this video, we're exploring MightyCall's Call Log tab in the Report section, a powerful feature that allows you to efficiently manage, search, and export all call center activities. Let's take a look. The Call Log tab is where you see all the calls made in your call center, including the time when the call started, whether it was inbound or outbound, its result, the contact's phone number, the agent who initiated the call, any other call participants if they were added to the call, the business number you called from, the call recording, and any internal notes left by your agents. If you want to find a specific call, click on the search settings, select what you're looking for, and start typing. In all MightyCall reports, you can click on columns to select the metrics that you want to include in your reports and change their order here. You can also set a specific date for your report, use filters for every call property, and of course, export your report by clicking on the CSV button here. Write in the comments or contact our support team if you have any questions. Happy calling!